Hi guys, today I will explain how to generate captions in Capcut. This process is too simple and easy, and in Capcut you can create captions with just one click. And the benefit of it is you don't have to write all the captions by yourself. Just click on Generate Auto Caption, and Capcut will do this for you. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open your Capcut application. Once it will be open a project where you want to create captions, or if you want to do this in your new project. So click on the option Create Project. But I will generate captions in my video using my previous project. So I will click on my recent project. And as you can see, my project has been open. The first thing is import your video in by clicking on this import icon. Once you do, your video will be here. As you can see, I will generate captions in this video. So I will click on it and take it and paste it in the timeline. Now the video has been pasted in my timeline. The next thing you have to do is take a look on the left top. You will see a lot of different options from these. You have to select this one text. Once you will select text here, you will see a lot of different options. But from these, you have to select this option, Auto Caption. On the top, you will see the option of spoken language. Click on it. And here, you have to choose your desired language. If I scroll down here, you can see multiple languages are available for creating captions, but if you don't know the exact language, then you can also get the help of this feature, Auto Detect. When you will select Auto Detect, then Capcut will detect the language for you and will create captions. But I know the language of my video, so I will select English. The next thing is identify filler words. If you want to turn it on, then click. But if you don't want, then uncheck it. And now the last thing is tap on the option Generate. As you can see, the captions are generating, and it will take a few time because it depends upon the length of my video, because it's less than 1 minute, so it will not take too much time. And as you can see, the captions are generated. Let me play the video so you can see everything clearly. You can see the captions are generated. Now you can also adjust the size and the position. If you take your mouse on each corner here, you can see if I do this. Then the caption size will be increase. And if you want to adjust the position, then tap on it and take wherever you want to paste. The next thing you have to do is you can also apply some effects. Now, if you want to change the color of your text, then click on it and choose the color by yourself. You can also apply some animation by clicking on the option Animation, and before applying, you have to select all the captions. As you can see, the captions are selected. And here are some effects which I can apply if I click on a specific one. Now you can see the animation has been applied. Here you will find a lot of other animation. So try all this by yourself. And it was the way by which you can generate captions in Capcut easily.